Hi, my name is Tracy McMullen. Welcome to interRel's Rapid Cloud Evolution YouTube series. In this series, we're going to talk about interRel solutions for the cloud, which we are calling the RACE solutions, or Rapid Cloud Evolution. Rapid Cloud Evolution. interRel offers Rapid Cloud Evolution solutions for the EPM and BI cloud. This is better known as our RACE solutions. interRel has three categories of RACE solutions today across the EPM and BI products. They are RACE Jumpstart solutions, RACE Migration solutions, and RACE Pre-Built Application solutions. The RACE Jumpstart solutions provide scoped custom solutions for cloud customers who need to get up and running in the cloud in just a few weeks. We offer RACE Jumpstart for Oracle Enterprise Planning Cloud, Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud, Financial Close and Consolidation Cloud, Business Intelligence Cloud, and Account Reconciliation Cloud. interRel offers RACE Migrate into the Cloud, or MIC solutions, which provide a scoped solution to migrate your on-premise application to its sister cloud product. We have RACE MIC solutions for Oracle Enterprise Planning Cloud, Financial Close and Consolidation Cloud, and coming soon, the Essbase Cloud. interRel also has pre-built applications as part of its RACE solutions, where we provide customers with pre-built application components to meet a business process requirement. interRel has two pre-packaged solutions for customers. We have the RACE PBCS General Budgeting and Forecasting application, which is an enterprise-wide budgeting and forecasting solution for customers. We have RACE TDABC, which is a time-driven activity-based costing solution built on top of PBCS. And coming soon, we'll offer industry-specific forecasting and analytics solutions. Companies today are facing an increasing number of challenges when it comes to managing their IT and their software environment, whether it comes to just managing security or it's just waiting for the latest version of an application and having the IT resources to be able to do that particular upgrade. IT expenses are increasing, software purchases can be high. So what are the different ways that we can address some of these challenges? The cloud is where many companies are going to address these challenges that they're facing. The cloud provides a number of different benefits. It can help with the expansion of solutions to new geographies, new lines of businesses or departments. You can lower your software fees with a SaaS model. You can reduce your overall IT costs. Since you're going to be using a cloud solution, you can reduce the personnel and the equipment required to support your software solutions. When it comes to EPM, the cloud can really help accelerate your EPM adoption because you're able to reach out and expand to others quicker and at a reduced cost. The cloud solutions from Oracle provide an intuitive user interface, which means a reduction in training costs. And what it really does is allow you to focus on analytics and understanding numbers so that you can make good decisions versus supporting your software. Another big benefit with using the Oracle EPM Cloud is the automatic upgrades and patches, so you will always be on the latest version of the EPM software. Oracle's leading EPM cloud service is the Planning, Budgeting, and Cloud Service, or PBCS. This is a solution in the cloud that provides an enabling technology for centralized planning, budgeting, and forecasting. PBCS can shorten your planning cycles. It can improve your plan and forecast accuracy. Users can input in plans and review plans over the web and in Excel as well. PBCS supports approvals and process management. PBCS allows for flexible modeling and what-if analysis. Because PBCS is built on top of Essbase, you have very powerful reporting and analysis capabilities. You can slice and dice on any of your dimensions and drill into issues and variances very quickly. PBCS also supports powerful business rules, so almost any calculation requirement can be met within PBCS. It's fast and easy to deploy, and it's highly scalable. Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud Service is a brand new offering for customers. This solution provides narrative reporting around your reporting packages. It provides a secure, collaborative, and process-driven approach for defining, authoring, reviewing, and publishing of report packages. Now note, this is not financial reporting on the cloud. It is a brand new product from Oracle. interRel has created the Rapid Cloud Evolution. We've created solutions to help you get to the cloud quickly and easily. These solutions allow customers to be up and running in a matter of weeks, and what we've done is we've used 20 plus years of our EPM experience in creating these solutions. The race offerings that we currently have are the PBCS Jumpstart, the General Budgeting and Forecasting, Migrate to the Cloud, TimeDriven Activity-Based Costing or TDABC solution, and then RCS Jumpstart. Now, the Race Jumpstart for PBCS will help you build and jumpstart your own custom PBCS application. We've scoped this solution to be up and running in 4 to 6 weeks using PBCS. So you can take your crazy Excel spreadsheets and Excel mania that you may have, and we can move that into a central repository on the cloud and allow users to be able to input plans and analyze actual versus budget or whatever your crazy spreadsheet process may be. PBCS will be a good candidate to replace that and really create a best-in-breed process. The Jumpstart focuses on a single business process and again allows you to get up and running in a matter of weeks. This is your requirements, your application design with guidance and input from the cloud experts interRel. The RACE General Budgeting and Forecasting solution is another solution for PBCS. This solution delivers the pre-built MyPlan application. It includes pre-built dimensions, task lists, forms, business rules, and more, all to support your enterprise budgeting and forecasting process. It's delivered on PBCS. It could also be used for on-premise Hyperion planning. And this pre-built application will support the direct input of your plans, or it also has built-in driver-based capabilities. Some of the key features of the RACE General Budgeting and Forecasting solution include guided user task lists, driver-based or direct input for your revenue plans, driver-based or direct input for your expense planning process. The driver-based expense calculations are driven by super user or end user assigned calculation methods. So you can decide, do you want to calculate expenses as a % of revenue? Do you want to average the last 6 months of your actuals process and then put that value into the plan? Do you want to base the expense amount based on your head count? So there's a lot of flexibility within the MyPlan application for building the driver-based application to meet your requirements. You load in actuals so that you can do your variance reporting in the MyPlan solution. The loaded actuals are also used to seed starting point plan data. Users can then adjust the driver-based calculations as needed. The MyPlan application supports workforce planning by headcount and job code. You load in your actuals headcount and your employee wages and overtime hours, and then calculate your starting point workforce comp plan based on that information, and then adjust the plan data from there. The MyPlan application supports capital expense planning by asset group. Dimension build templates come with this solution so that you can very quickly build in your metadata into the application. Security, for the most part, has already been defined within the application. There's an easy-to-use interface for end users. It provides a secured central repository for data. MyPlan has fast consolidations and business rules. It will support multiple versions and what-if analysis, and allows for commentary from operations and FP&A. The benefits of the General Budgeting and Forecasting RACE solution from interRel is that you've got a ton of pre-built content to jumpstart your implementation. It provides a flexible dynamic solution that allows driver-based planning or direct input of plans, fast consolidate of those submissions, and then of course you get all the benefits of the PBCS solution. interRel also has the MIC solution, or the Migrate into the Cloud solution. In this instance, we will help you do is help get your cloud instance set up, and then we'll migrate your on-premise planning application into the cloud. We'll help set up the initial security definition with users and provisioning and making the transition from on-premise to in the cloud. We will educate you on any application design impacts of moving to the cloud. We'll provide training and knowledge transfer, and then we'll update data integrations to use either data management or the simplified user interface options for loading data. So what the process and what the steps in the project would look like is we would start with requirements and analysis and review the on-premise application and create a tailored migration plan for you. We'll then do the preparation. EPMA is not supported in PBCS, so we may have to convert your on-premise EPMA application to Classic. From there, we'll create an LCM of the on-premise application and also export the users, the business rules, reports, and the security, and we'll update those files for the cloud as it relates to security. Then we're ready to perform the migration, and we'll create a shell application if needed, and then we'll import in all of those objects from your on-premise application. We'll help set up the metadata and data integrations that are required. So we'll need to set up dimension maintenance processes, data load processes, and we'll also want to automate everything so that you've got a clean running solution in the cloud. We'll then help you validate and test. We'll test out the user interface and make sure everything has come over accordingly. We'll provide guidance on data validation and security validation, and then we'll train and roll out. And then, of course, as we mentioned, we'll help educate you on new features and functions that are available in the cloud that you can update and take advantage of once you've migrated to the cloud. So what does the RACE Migrate into the Cloud project timeline look like? This is typically a 3 to 8 week project, depending on your specific application and requirements. Some of the factors that will impact this timeline include how many users you have and how many reports. How are you doing your data integration? Will you be using the simplified UI or will you be using data management? And how many processes do we need to build related to dimension maintenance and data loading? How many automations do you have? Do you have an EPMA on-premise application that's going to have to be converted to Classic? How many plan types you have? And again, this particular timeline assumes you've got a single application within your PBCS instance. A single application is all that is currently supported. interRel also has a RACE solution for time-driven activity-based costing, helping you to identify what are your true costs. The New York Times has written articles about this type of solution. Robert Kaplan and his team at Harvard University are pioneering the design, and now companies can make this a reality. Time-driven activity-based costing is a cost accounting methodology designed to measure the time and cost of business using a bottoms-up approach to costing services and operations, and it combines process mapping and resource-level costing to help you understand what are your true costs. TDABC are going to answer a lot of important questions about the cost of doing business. What are your costliest processes? What are the fully allocated costs of my resources? Are my resources being over or underutilized? How are costs trending over time? How does my department, if I do a particular process, compare to other departments for that same process? How can I reduce process cost while maintaining quality? And how can I maximize my resource license, making sure that I'm using the right resources at the right cost level for each task? interRel has created a pre-built RACE TDABC application with Oracle PBCS. This pre-built application includes calculations to do all of the cost allocations down to a resource level to help you understand the fully allocated cost for each resource. A resource could be an employee, it could be a piece of equipment. The TDABC RACE solution also includes pre-built data forms, calculations, and other components to calculate capacity cost rates. We've got data forms and calculations and objects to allow users to define their processes and what are the steps in those processes and calculate the total cost for a process. We've included financial reports. We have pre-built dashboards within the PBCS application, dimension and data load templates for uploading your metadata and data. And with this PBCS solution, users can access the TDABC application over the web, on mobile devices, and in Excel. Again, PBCS has a number of built-in end-user features, including dashboard capabilities, approvals, commentary, and more. The benefits of TDABC is really the visibility into understanding your true costs. It includes pre-built content to jumpstart the implementation, and you can get a TDABC implementation up and running in a matter of weeks. It's a flexible, dynamic solution. It supports the management of your processes and process maps across the organization. It leverages hierarchy-driven allocations down to a resource level. And again, it's got pre-built cost allocations for up to 9 stages with flexible allocation drivers. And of course, it has all of the benefits of PBCS solution. Another RACE solution that interRel provides is the RCS Jumpstart. So this is if you want to leverage the Enterprise Performance Reporting Cloud service. We can put together a scoped implementation to help you implement a single reporting package with all of the supporting sections and connections into your EPM sources to define a report package. After you do this first implementation, you should be ready to run and use RCS throughout your organization. The Jumpstart includes security setup for 10 to 15 users, and then optionally, if you needed, a reporting application that can contain supplemental data for the defined reporting package. From a roadmap standpoint, interRel isn't stopping here. We have a number of items on roadmap for RACE. One includes a Jumpstart packaging and solution to implement ePBCS, Enterprise Planning Budgeting Cloud Service. We also have an application that will be coming soon that has pre-built functionality for doing capital projects forecasting. So you can budget your capital projects, you can forecast them, load in actuals to do variance reporting, and then transfer allocated budget dollars across projects with audit trail functionality. We'll also be coming out with a MyPlan 2.0 that will be redesigned a little bit to take advantage of some of the new cloud features, including sandboxing, autosave, and more. We also have on our roadmap industry-specific applications, including analytics for retail, healthcare, and manufacturing. And then we'll also have a pre-built solution for cost allocations using the upcoming PCMCS, or Profitability and Cost Management Cloud Service. In summary, interRel recommends overall with these cloud solutions trying to keep your initial projects simple, keep it short, and keep it focused, and get up and running very quickly. Your focused implementation and rollout should shoot from anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks or less. And then you add on later enhancements and phases and users as needed. And make sure you take time to train and understand this technology. So in summary, this table provides an overview of each one of our current race solutions, and know that more are coming out there. We offer a Jumpstart for PBCS and EPRCS. We've got pre-built applications to support enterprise-wide planning and forecasting, a pre-built application to support time-driven activity-based costing and the supporting process maps that go with it. And then we also have a solution to help you migrate from your on-premise solution into the cloud. Thank you for joining me in this YouTube video where we talked about the rapid cloud evolution solutions that interRel is providing to you today.